Hi, it's Jan Diautry. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen, where I'm taking your taste buds on a tropical vacation. It's a Hawaiian party on a plate. These grilled tacos are insanely delicious. Here's what you'll need. Your favorite steaks, like a New York. And for the marinade, you'll need sesame oil, vinegar, honey, soy sauce, and pineapple juice. You'll also need some onion, garlic, and ginger, and some lime juice. In a bowl, add the onion, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, vinegar, sesame oil, lime juice, pineapple juice, honey, and some salt. Give it a whisk, and then pour the marinade over the steak. Now this marinade is enough for 4 steaks, but I'm making a mixed grill today, so I'm dividing the marinade between steak, chicken, and pork. Refrigerate for several hours or overnight. Then, in a hot skillet, cook the steak, searing on both sides to desired temperature. While the meat is pan grilling, make the salsa. In a bowl, combine pineapple chunks, diced tomatoes, red onion, chopped cilantro, and then lime juice, jalapeno, honey, salt, and pepper. Give it a gentle stir, and your meal is ready for assembly. Choose your favorite tortillas, char them in a skillet, and slice up your steak or your mixed grilled medley. Spoon the refreshing salsa over the tacos and enjoy. Island grilled tacos for dinner tonight. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.